everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Priscille Polla, and today I was thinking we could do a quick video. So I'm about to go out to uni, and I thought I could film what I'm doing to go to uni. And yeah, this is going to be a very quick video. I'm not going to be speaking a lot, so yeah, so let's get started. Let's get started. So I started by priming my face with Catrice Cosmetic Prime and Fine. By the way, I had already moisturized my face, and yeah, so now I'm letting it dry. And after that, of course, I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I am using a makeup cleansing to clean my brush, and now I am brushing my eyebrows because I don't have a lot of it. So yeah, let's just put that in place. And now I am using how do we call it, a brow drama by Maybelline, New York, and this is like a 12-hour thingy, and yeah, it is quite a nice thing. I bought it like when I was in the shop with my classmate, and it was kind of calling me, I guess, you know that feeling. So yeah, this has had a very good feeling on my skin, and I really liked it so far. Now, when you don't have a lot of eyebrow, do your best to make them look cute. So just to get the little hair, I also use another Catrice cosmetic product, and this one is a brown coloris, and this actually gets the really small eyebrow. Like when you don't have a lot, they are quite short. So I kind of use this because the brush is really tiny, as you can see, and it actually helped me to get every single eyebrow. And apparently this gets your eyebrow hair like very dark in like 2 weeks of constant usage. So after that, I am applying my concealer, and I am using my Elegant Pro Concealer color Fawn. And you know me, I like some little highlighting underneath my eyebrows, but on top of my eyebrows I usually like to use a darker shade than the shade I am using, if you understand what I mean. But yeah, so I'm not a professional, like, you know, my makeup is always by trial and error. But yeah, this is a uni makeup, so it's not going to be dramatic, but I will try my best. So now I am using my NYX concealer. This is slightly darker than my normal concealer, like my Fawn concealer, and this is just to put on top of the eyebrows to actually keep the transition going so that it matches my skin tone. And yeah, let us not go over the limit. Let's stay natural. This is kind of a natural look for uni, and yeah, so let me let you see how I do my eyebrows like a brand new learner. So actually what I'm doing presently, I saw that on a YouTube video. So the guy was just putting it and then brushing it with his finger, and yeah, it was just giving that beautiful look. So now I'm just blending with my beauty blender to put everything in place. And yeah, like you all know, blending is key of makeup. And yeah, you can see I just blend. You should just do the same if you're going to try this makeup look. But yeah, and after that, so far it's okay. My trial is not too bad today. After applying my concealer, I'm going to apply my foundation, which is MAC. I have been using this for quite a long time now because it took me a lot of time to find my actual shade. So when I found this one, I just stick to it. So if you find your foundation, you know how hard it is, and some people actually find it easily, but yeah, it took me a lot of time to find my shade. And now I am just blending it into my skin, taking my time to blend. We don't want any harsh lines, so take your time, girl. So we're kind of done with the blending. Now I'm going to apply my concealer and do some highlighting. So I'm going to mix my LA Girl concealer and my NYX HD concealer to give me like not too bright highlighting. So this is just a day look and we don't want to be dramatic on the way. So yeah, so just blend and keep my blending. So I'm having some on my forehead, on my nose, on my chin, under my nose, and yeah, under my eyes, of course. So we are just blending it. As you can see, it is still looking very natural, not too far from a natural skin tone. And this is what we are aiming for. Like, it is a day makeup, we're going to uni and we still want to look the same, not like somebody is going to see us and not recognize that it is us. So that is why even my eyebrows is not too far from my natural ones. But yeah, tell me what you think. So now I am applying my LK Pro Concealer in Espresso. Actually, I realized that it is not very dark. I don't know if it's the camera or if it is something else, but yeah, I decided to take my NYX Contour palette to increase the dark shade of the contour. I do a very light contouring when it has to do with day makeup. So as you can see, I don't put a lot, and then I just use my flat brush and then I just blend it in. And don't mind, I am going to use contour powder, which is going to give a little bit more dimension. But yeah, like I said, blending is key. So let's keep blending and look at the contour of my face. It is slightly darker than the middle of my face, and that is just how my face looks like. So your face might look a little bit different. The best thing to do is to look at your face first before doing anything, so that you can actually identify every line of your face. So now I am contouring my nose with the same palette, and yeah, it's just to make my nose a little thin here, because I can have a big nose sometimes, especially when it's very shiny. But yeah, this nose got to get a little shorter, but yeah, not short, a little thin. But yeah, but I still love my nose. Whew. Now, of course, you know I'm not a baking girl, so I am just going to set my under eyes and not actually bake. So I am just going to put a little powder so that it just stays in place for the whole day, and I will just do the same on my forehead, on my nose, on my chin, and yeah, and that's all I'm doing. Not a lot of powder, just enough to keep it for the day. For a little more dimension, I am going to use my NYX contour powder. As you can see, it's getting more darker, giving it some more definition, staying in the natural look. And yeah, applying to the same places where I apply the cream contour, and just setting it at the same time, if I can put it that way. And yeah, just look at how different it is. So I am still me. So now I am using my favorite bronzer by IMAN, color Sun. I love this bronzer. I actually live for it, and unfortunately for me, it is very hard for me to get it. I always get it from the US. The last time I got it was in France, but now I don't really know how to get a new palette, because this is completely finished. So I do my 3, giving myself a little shine for the day. Like, who doesn't like a little of glamour on your skin? So yeah, that's what I'm doing, bronzing. We know we black girls, we don't blush, but yeah, oh, luckily they created this beautiful bronzer. This beautiful blush, excuse me, by NYX again, and this is color Plum, and I'm just going to apply a little to fake my blushing whatever. So yeah, you can see it's just giving me that little highlight of the day. Look at how beautiful this color is. I am loving it. So yeah, this is by NYX color Plum, and I'm loving that color. Now we're going to play a little with the eyeshadow. You know what, I'm not very good with eyeshadow, but this one that I'm using presently, I actually got it from Fawn. Yeah, and it has been very good to me. So yeah, I love using it sometimes as a first eyeshadow. I don't know the right term to use, but yeah, I just use it as a base, and then now I am using like kind of light orange, no, dark orange, from the NYX palette, like the natural look palette, nude, if I can, yeah, I think it's nude. Is it nude? I think so. I think it's nude. Yeah, so the nude palette, and I am just applying in the crease, and later on I'm using a slightly shimmer one to give me a little highlight around the eyes. Let us give a bit of highlighting under those eyebrows so that it can pop a little bit more. What do you think? So now I am fixing this first couche by with Revolution Profit, but that's not all. I am going to apply my powder now. Basically, that is what I do for my makeup to last long. I first apply the first couche of fixing spray, and then later on I put my powder, and then I'll put another couche of spray. So just have a look. So now I am applying my eyeliner. So that was my eyeliner, that's my mascara, but oops, I forgot. I'm going to show you my lips first. So I am going to draw my lip line, but out of the camera, and yeah, that is my mascara from Manhattan. It is actually a very nice mascara. It has two type of brushes, one that gives volume and one that actually makes your eyelashes come single. So now I am applying some lip liner, and this is still by NYX in the color Currant. Really beautiful color if you want to do umber lips. If is it umber lips? Please correct me if I am wrong. And I am going to follow by a lipstick that I actually got from Primark. Is it Primark? No, not Primark. From Fawn. It was actually a beautiful color, and I say, oh, why not try it? So it is kind of matte and glossy at the same time, but to add that little pop, you know me, I love umber lips, I'm going to add a NYX color that is Rome, and that's going to give me my day look, because I don't want to wear a dark lipstick today. And on top of that, yeah, I know this is a lot, I am adding a gloss, a very nice gloss from Trend It Up, and this is kind of shimmer and a very glossy, and just give that little pop. Oh, what do you think? This is my little trick so that nobody would ever know what I put on my lips. Have you ever been in that situation where you someone asks you, oh, that is a beautiful lipstick, what lipstick is that? And then you double think and you think, what did I actually put on tonight, or what did I actually put on today? So wow, that is how I always feel. So yeah, that is the final look. What do you think for the day? So it is very soft, as you can see, not much drama, not any drama at all. And yeah, I just love my day makeup to look this way, like very soft looking like myself, like you don't want to put makeup and look like somebody else. I am loving those lips. Wow, I am actually loving them. And yeah, I know you can see I'm struggling with tying this little stuff on my hair, but yeah, that's it. This is all for my makeup. Just let me know what you think and what you would suggest I could add on my makeup routine, or what I could change. But so far, this is what has been working for me. And yeah, thank you for watching my video. Oh, forgot last kosher spray. Let's fix this for the day. Thank you very much for being here. Yep.
I love you, I don't wanna lose you, yeah. I need you, baby, I need you, I don't wanna lose you, your love, baby, there's nothing that